Hello, so welcome again. I am with another phylum, Mollusca. Let us start a discussion about Mollusca. What are the characteristics, general characteristics? Mollusca. Why this phylum is named as Mollusca? These molluscans are soft-bodied animals. That means they have soft body. That's why these are called as mollusca. Muzzle, muzzle, they will be soft like muzzles. That's why they are called as mollusca. So this is the second largest phylum. First largest phylum is arthropoda, and mollusca is the second largest phylum, right? So special features you can see, they are soft bodied animals. They have mantle. See, this is the mantle. Mantle means the flesh folded body wall. This is the body wall. This is the body wall, and which is folded. Okay, fleshy folded body wall. This fleshy folded body wall is called as mantle or pallium. Mantle or pallium. So mantle is the characteristic of these animals. And why this mantle is useful? This mantle secretes the hard shell, right? Mantle epithelium will secrete the hard shell outside. We'll see that radula is also one more special feature of this organism. Radula. What are radula? These are the rasping organs. For chewing, we use teeth. In the same way, these organisms use this radula for rasping. Okay, the food material. These are rasping organs, or radula, rasping organs. And one more special feature is pearls we obtain from these molluscans only. Okay, right. These are the special features: soft body, mantle, radula, and pearls are obtained. And then another one is largest. Okay, see different types of mollusks. You see gastropods. So this name we will be coming across many times. You remember the word gastropods. Okay, major groups of molluscans lo gastropods. So large footed with a flat soles. These are snails and slugs, right? So snails will have the shell exoskeleton, but slugs do not have. And then another one, which we come across, cephalopods. These are the cephalopods. These are the bivalves. So gastropods, cephalopods, bivalves. See bivalves, you remember this one. Okay, this is familiar. That's why I am saying to remember this one, because bivalves we won't see radula. That point will come. Okay, uh, gastropods and then cephalopods you remember. Okay, and then another specialty is this is the giant squid. Giant squid. So its length is around length 18 meters length. This one tentacles, just a tentacle. This tentacles will be 12 meters long. That much big squid it is. So long before it was identified, right? And its name is Architeuthis. Giant squid, we call it as giant squid, Architeuthis. So next habitat they are mostly marine. Some are gastropods, and some gastropods and bivalves live in freshwater. Marine, freshwater. Gastropods and bivalves are freshwater animals. Some gastropods are terrestrial also. You will be seeing some snails are living on the soil also. Okay, on the land. They are organ system level. They have organ systems and bilateral symmetry. Secondarily, gastropods are asymmetrical. So gastropods, you remember the snail, so they are asymmetrical secondarily. This point is also very important. Primarily they are bilateral symmetry, secondarily they are asymmetrical anamata. Okay, so shell, they have hard shell అనుకున్నాం కదా. So body is covered by calcareous shell. From where this shell has come, it is secreted by mantle epithelium. I have shown the mantle epithelium. Okay, mantle means fleshy fold of the body wall. That fleshy fold of the body wall will secrete this calcium containing shell. Body is unsegmented. Previously, Annelida and Arthropoda are segmented. That's why this point is mentioned here. The molluscans are unsegmented animals. Their body has head with tentacles on the anterior side. Visceral hump, you can see this is the middle visceral hump. You can see like a hump, camel's hump. It is there, no? That's why it is called as visceral hump. And then muscular foot. You can see muscular foot also. So body is divided into three parts, mainly head, visceral hump, and muscular foot. Right. And then digestive system now. Buccal cavity have file-like rasping organs called as radula. So I said no already, for rasping, for crushing the chewing the food, they have teeth-like structures called as radula, and this radula are absent in the bivalves. Right. Respiratory system, mostly they are marine or freshwater అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి, so they have gills are called as nidia with respiratory and excretory function. Nidia. Excretory system contains pairs of metanephridia. They are often called as kidneys. So why they are called as kidneys ante chordates lo in our body kidneys are there, they are related to them, their function is same like our kidneys anamata. That's why they are called as kidneys most of the times, metanephridia. Otherwise another name is organs of Bojanus. So excretory system, metanephridia, organs of Bojanus. And next coming to, so we can see what is that, next systems I will explain, right? So digestive system or nervous system also. So blood vascular system, here also blood vascular system is open type. Only in Annelida closed type we can see. So open type of a circulatory system except in cephalopods. Cephalopods have closed type of blood vascular system. You can see open type of circulatory system, so heart and hemocoel. So cavities, blood flows in the cavities. These blood vessels are not connected, so in the cavities only blood will be flowing. Again it enters into the heart. So cephalopods have the closed type of blood vascular system with three hearts. So cephalopods have three hearts. So nervous system, you can see cerebral ganglia here. This is the cerebral ganglia, and then nerve ring you can see, statocyst you can see, and nerve cord also. So these include the nervous system of these animals: cerebral ganglia, nerve ring, right, and then statocyst, nerve cord. So nervous system consists of pairs of ganglia. Sense organs include eyes, tentacles, statocyst, aspheridium. These are mainly important for the detecting the quality of the water in gastropods and bivalves. Chemoreceptors, statocysts also chemoreceptors only. So pairs of ganglia are present. Sense organs are also present. Nerve cord is present. You have seen nerve ring also. Statocysts, tentacles, eyes, aspheridium. You can remember aspheridium here. This is a main important bit of reproductive system. So reproduction is, they are dioecious or unisexual animals. Organisms are different, and male and female organisms. Oviparous animals, they lay the eggs. Development is indirect, and the name of the larva is veliger. Mostly we call it as veliger, and the other name is trochophore larva. So veliger larva and trochophore larva. So you can see trochophore larva here and veliger larva. So development, direct development in a cephalopods. Cephalopods, the direct development is there. So veliger form or trochophore larval form, you have to remember here, unisexual. And then coming to octopus. Examples are octopus. Its general name is devilfish. Octopus, you can see. Pila, apple snail. Pila or apple snail. And pinctada, pole oysters. Pinctada, pole oyster, bivalves lo. Sepia, cuttlefish. This is the cuttlefish, sepia. Laligo, squid. This is the squid. Aplysia, sea hare. This is a sea hare. Aplysia. Many times this name you will come across in the bits. Aplysia, sea hare. General name is sea hare. And another example is Dentalium, tusk shell. So they look like tusk. Shell look like a tusk, and then this is the body of the organism, head region. So here also cephalization you can see, right? Tusk shell, Dentalium. These are the examples. Ketopleura, keton. Ketopleura, keton is another example. So this is about mollusca. I will meet with another phylum, Echinodermata, very soon. Thank you.